Hey, welcome back to another unboxing video. Check this out, guys. I have a new enclosure here, the EN45-28. Now this enclosure is ABS plastic, injected molded, and it works anywhere. Put it inside a car, a truck, a side-by-side, a UTV, an ATV, wherever you want to go. I have some recommended speakers I would like to put in this thing. So let's open it up so you guys can check this out. Got manual, some foam, and let's get this out. There we go. Check out this real cool enclosure. Some hardware to bolt on your screws, your speakers in, and check this out. 4 5 1/4 and 2 1-inch tweeters. Beautiful. Has an LED badged DS18 logo. Now here are the tweeters I recommend. Since the logo lights up, the tweeters light up as well. So these are the Pro 720Ls. Check them out. These are 1-inch tweeters. You're gonna unscrew the ring, screw this one in, then you're gonna insert it. Gotta give it more gap. There we go. You're gonna insert it. Then you grab the ring and you tighten it up. Voila! That's how it's gonna look. Then I like the Pro audio speakers. So here we got the Pro X5M. Check this one out. 5 1/4 mid-range. Beautiful. Look at that. Beefy, powerful, and it drops like a glove. So check that out. 4 of these, 2 of those, 1 4-channel amp, and you're set to go. This is injected molded ABS plastic. It's not gonna break, it's not gonna fade, it won't crack. Check it out. Insane. What's also included? So it comes with this harness where you can easily wire up your speakers, wire up your tweeters, wire up your RGBs, connect it to this RGB, add this RGB, use an LED BTC module, and you're set to go with the lights. You control everything from the palm of your hand. You connect this to your amplifier, and you're set to go. Here's one more time the look. That's how it's gonna look with the mid, the badge, and the tweeters. Check out the back part. It's completely solid. So you can mount it almost in any angle. You can do it like this. You can put it flat. You can put it on a tailgate, on the back window, on the truck, slanted sideways. Pretty much anywhere you guys want to mount it. So check it out, the EN45-28. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.